Thank you for stopping by. We are Iowa.com. I'm Chris Kubal. Let's take a look at that Local 5 forecast, including showers and thunderstorms as we roll overnight, extending into Tuesday. Most of the focus is going to be over southern and southeastern Iowa. That's where we could see some beneficial rains move much northwards. And it's going to be that persistent, drizzly, light shower type of nature that we've seen throughout much of Monday. So that's what we're looking at as far as rainfall. There's also going to be a few rumblers try to squeeze into southern and southeastern Iowa on Monday evening. I think that's generally after 5 o'clock we're looking at that. Could be some isolated pockets of small hail, but the big time severe weather will stay south into Missouri and other places to the south and southwest. Into Tuesday morning, still some lingering showers. We wrap around a little bit on the backside. You do see a few snowflakes in northeastern Iowa. Eyes going to be focused on that very closely into Wednesday morning, especially in the eastern half of the state. A couple of pulsing light showers as we go into Tuesday afternoon, but here it comes. We'll watch on that backside. A little bit of a rain-snow mix combo to wake up and especially eastern Iowa for Wednesday morning. We'll be watching that time frame very closely. Very soggy as we continue with those storms. The system will stall out, and that's what's bringing us that lingering activity into Wednesday. Again, especially into eastern Iowa. As far as severe threats, fairly minimal across the state of Iowa. Perhaps some isolated hail squeezing into southeastern Iowa. That looks to be a pretty low opportunity. As we look at futurecasts, the system as a whole, far more potent in areas to our south and west, and again, wrapping around with that cooler air on the backside. A couple of snowflakes will slowly clear, but notice this is a slow mover, so it is potential that we do see a few of those clouds extend westward if this one decides to lollygag any longer. As far as severe activity, here's that target zone. This warm front being the barrier, it's going to be very difficult to see those storms skip across it and keep that intensity. Tornadoes, big time hail down from Oklahoma up into Missouri and Illinois, and that will translate eastward on Tuesday. Never fully getting into Iowa, riding right on the edge of this one. 38 is the call for the low tonight. Some rain at play, some showers continuing into Tuesday once again. Mix some snow over northeastern Iowa, and that will try to come our way early Wednesday morning. It will be breezy, especially Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and on Wednesday, some of those gusts could reach upwards of about 45 miles per hour as we roll right through the middle of the day. It should be a pretty stout wind, blustery too. Temperatures limited by that, even with clearing sky going into the afternoon. It's going to be cold and blustery Wednesday. Temperatures trying to gain some traction through the weekend. I think we see our most robust temps as we get into early next week. On eclipse day right now, kind of between the systems, we'll call it mostly sunny to partly cloudy at this juncture for that solar eclipse around Iowa. About 85% of the sun will be covered around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Monday.